I think this graph is consistent because a1 by a2 is 1 by 1, but b1 by b2 is minus 1. Substitution method in algebra. So if the pair of linear equation is consistent, then we will definitely get one solution. No problem, no worries. But if the pair of linear equations is dependent, okay, then you will reach in a true statement without variable. And if the graphs are inconsistent, then a wrong statement without the variable. Okay, can you try this first one now? First question, solve this right now. I think 2 minutes enough. X plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. Find the solution using substitution method. I think this graph is consistent because a1 by a2 is 1 by 1, but b1 by b2 is minus 1. So definitely the graph will be consistent and there will be a unique solution. So I shall simply show here. I don't take the whiteboard. This is very simple. So from the second equation, you can write x is equal to, if you move minus y to right side, it will become plus y, that is 4 plus y. Now substitute x is equal to 4 plus y in equation number 1. 1 will become 4 plus y is equal to 14. That means 4 plus 2y. 4 plus 2y is equal to 14. The plus 4 you can move to right side. So 2y is equal to 14 minus 4. So 2y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. So we go to y is equal to 5. Substitute y is equal to 5 in equation, this equation, x is equal to 4 plus y. So this will become x is equal to 4 plus 5, that is 9. X is equal to 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So the solution is x is equal to 9 first. Okay. So 9 comma 5. 9 comma 5 is the solution for this pair of linear equations. So you can do one more. I think you can choose the question from the fifth one. Okay. So actually the questions with the root are very simple, if you understand. When we compare to with fractions. Okay, no problem. So we'll do that. Root x plus root 3y is equal to 0, first equation. The second equation, x minus root 8y is equal to 0, right? 0. So we want to solve this pair of linear equations. I think to avoid minus, I think better we start with this second one. So this we can give simply 1. So root 3x is equal to minus root 8y when we move to right side. So it will become positive, right? That's why I choose this one. So this will become root 8y. And also root 8 you can simplify. Root 8, what is root 8? Root 8 you can simplify root 4 into 2. That is root 4 into root 2. That is root 4 is 2, so 2 root 2. Okay. So root 3x is equal to 2 root 2y. Okay. And next step, x is equal to 2 root 2y and also by root 3 here. By root 3. Okay. So root 3 will come to right side. Okay. And this value will substitute here. Okay. I don't write to substitute the sentence. Substitute here. So root 2 into x. The value of x is here. That is 2 root 2y by root 3 plus root 3y is equal to 0. Okay. And here root 2 into root 2. What will become? Root 2 into root 2? 2. Okay. And one more 2 is here. So 2 into 2 will become 4y. So 4y by root 3 plus root 3y is equal to 0. Okay. So in next step, you can take a y common outside the bracket. Okay, so y take outside the bracket. So y into 4 by root 3 plus root 3, right? Plus root 3 is equal to 0. Now reduce the numbers inside the bracket. 4 by root 3 plus root 3, how it will become? 4 into, you can choose this as by 1. So 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is 4. So 4 plus root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3. 3 by root 3 into 1. Root 3, right? Yes, root 3 is equal to 0. In next step, you can move the fraction into right side. So you'll get y is equal to, what will you get?
Root 3 by 4 plus.
Yeah, no. There is 0 here. It's 0. So how will
minus 4 plus 3 by root 3.
No. If you move this fraction, I think actually this step was not needed. So if you move this entire number inside the bracket to right side, this will become 0 by, right? So it will definitely become 0. Y becomes 0. Actually, this step was not needed. Y into a quantity is equal to 0. That means y is equal to 0 because 4 by root 3 plus root 3 can't be 0 because 4 is positive, root 3 is positive, root 3 is also positive, so it can't be 0. So y should be the 0. Okay. So from this itself, the last step is not needed. From here itself, you can write y is equal to 0 because this is a positive quantity, it can't be 0. So y is equal to 0. So substitute y is equal to 0 in equation number 1 or 2. I think better in 1. So 1 becomes what? Okay. Otherwise, in this equation, this is enough. Here put y is equal to 0. What will you get? X is equal to 2 root 2 into 0 by root 3. So what will be this? X is equal to
0.
X is equal to 0. So the solution is 0, 0. 0, 0 is the solution. If you have any confusion, you can check. If you put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, do you get 0? Right. Yes, the case number 1 satisfied. And here also, if you put 0 for x and y, you will get 0, right? Equation satisfied. So this is the solution. So 0, 0 is the solution. There is only unique solution because we didn't reach in a statement without variable. So this is a consistent graph. There's only one solution. Okay. Like this, you can solve this. Okay. In the second question, what you have to do is you solve this equation. This will be a consistent pair, and you will get only one value for x and one value for y. I simply substitute the solution value for x and y in this equation. You will get another value for m. And in the third question, the equations are not directly given. Third question, there are 6 questions, but the pair of equations are not given directly. So you read the question, you should be very careful when you form the equation. If you make a mistake when you form the equation, the balance all will be waste. All steps you write. Okay.